A popular lettering style among calligraphers is the bold-face lettering style called Neuland. Neuland was developed in the early 1900s by Rudolf Koch in Germany. This letter form was originally hand-cut. Therefore, it has a freshness that most uniform type styles don't have because it wasn't scaled down. It was hand-cut individually for each font or each size of type. Neuland is generally done by calligraphers with a broad edge pen, and the letter forms are created by pen manipulation. The pen has to be held near the front, near the nib, so that you can twirl the pen with your fingers. Here I'm using one of my favorite pens, the Speedball C nib. It's an older nib. It's actually a prototype. As a demonstration, if I were to do an R, I could use pressure and release and pressure. And then if I want to go around a curve, as in for an R, then I'm going to have to hold the pen fairly upright, and I'm going to have to manipulate the pen in order to get that curve. So in Neuland, with a broad edge pen, I'm going to have to do quite a bit of pen manipulation. So I will take my pen and I will put it on an opposite slant angle. And I'm going to be changing angles, but I'm also going to be manipulating the pen on the curves. I'm going to have to increase the pen angle, and then I'm going to have to manipulate the pen as I come around. And that's fine, but it is a bit hard to control. If I want to do a C, I'm going to have to manipulate the pen. Or I'm going to have to do this in a couple of different strokes. For example, manipulate the pen like this, and manipulate the pen like this. And so the problem I have with Neuland is that it's a sort of a pen manipulation alphabet that's difficult to achieve with a broad edge pen. I, however, want to show you maybe an easier way how to do this with the A nib. So in the next session, I'm going to create a Neuland alphabet A to Z with the A nib pen, and I think you'll find that it's going to be an interesting way and an interesting alternative to a broad edge nib.